So the other day I was live streaming, and if you don't follow my live streams, definitely come check them out when I do them. We have a lot of fun over there. We have some very good chatter. And I was live streaming, and someone asked me, a fan of mine asked me, what I thought about, XRP and Bitcoin and everything. And I was basically talking about a potential Santa rally, where I was talking about um, historically, Decembers are always very good for investments, not just crypto, but the stock market as well. And I talked about a Santa rally being the thing that we need for Bitcoin to push above 20K. And we had that. Bitcoin breaks above $20,000 for the first time ever. The world's most valuable virtual currency traded 5.6% higher to a price of around $20,600 according to data from Coinmetrics. It comes as big name investors like Paul Jones and Stanley Druckenmiller have invested in cryptocurrency. Major Wall Street firms like the S&P Global and CBOE Global Markets have been making a big push into the crypto market data services. So we are beginning to see the institutions surround cryptocurrency. Now, another point I made in that live stream was that if Bitcoin broke above 20K, it was going to be positive for the altcoins, and I was correct. We see XRP up about 7% today. We were falling for a while there from that top, and we seem to have hit in a bottom. I said in that live stream, the bottom is between 45 and 50 cents. We went a tiny bit under that, like literally 1 cent under that. So I was pretty close on talking about the bottom. So there is that. Now, XRP currently is actually, we had a crossing on the directional movement index, right? You could see this red line crossing above this pinkish line. So we did have a crossing on the directional movement index, indicating a trend break. It's not guaranteed, but we also see an uptick in RSI, meaning relative strength of the market is going up. It's going up to, it's still healthy. It's not overbought, but it is starting to rise up. We have a tick up from right here. And also on the MACD, we are still in a bearish crossing over here, but you can kind of see that these lines look like they're starting to close in on each other. There still is some more room that needs to happen, okay? But this definitely can be a sign that XRP is ready to break out. In addition to XRP, Ethereum was up. Most of your major altcoins were up. Just like I've been saying, if Bitcoin breaks 20K, it is a market signal that crypto is back. Now, that does not mean that there's not going to be pullbacks. There will be pullbacks, of course. That is part of a market. That is natural. And one point I wanted to make about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about XRP, and about the larger crypto market is it is behaving like a market. It is behaving much less like a bubble and more like a market, okay? Anyone who says crypto is a bubble, I think, is really losing ground in their arguments. How can a bubble last this long, right? I mean, bubbles, they're around, and there certainly is overvaluation, but to say that, crypto is a fad, I think that argument is fading more and more and more. When you see banks and financial institutions using XRP, when you see Wall Street looking at Bitcoin, when you see DeFi projects being established on Ethereum, that argument that crypto is a fad is fading away more and more every year. We're still nowhere close to mass adoption. We still have a tremendous amount of room to run, and a lot of the altcoins are not yet back to their all-time highs, and we still have, again, we have a lot of room to run, and for that reason, I think the altcoins right now are really the undervalued play. That's not to say I dislike Bitcoin. That's not to say I think Bitcoin's a bad investment. I do not agree with that. I think Bitcoin actually can be a very good investment, but when you're looking at overall returns, I think the altcoins, the fact that they're not back to their all-time highs yet means they have more room to run, especially if in this market cycle we really see explosive growth from Bitcoin. A lot of that money is going to go into altcoins, and I think altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin over the next year to basically 1 to 2 years, essentially, depending on how long this bull run lasts. But there's a lot of money to be made. There is a lot of information out there. If you want to start trading cryptocurrency, I have a link in the description to TrendSpider. It is my preferred trading software. software, if you're ready to start, being able to do things like I do with trend lines, these come up automatically for me. Don't even have to draw them with these indicators. If you're ready to get into that, definitely sign up to TrendSpider. Link in the description. You get a discount. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. It was a kind of a shorter video, but I just want to give a little bit of a quick update. Keep on hodling. Hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you in the next video.